Now this is how you can mute video audio in the Lumafusion on iPad. Let's get started. So at first, make sure you have your Lumafusion app ready. Import the video clip into the timeline. And essentially, in order to perform the edits right here, what you need to do is to select the video on the timeline. And once you do select it, the options will be available to you. So I just want you to click on the little pencil icon below it, which is for the editing. Once you go there, another window opens up sort of, and at the bottom you have 5 categories of things to edit. So you can edit frame and fit, speed options and stuff like that. But the second to last is the audio section. And when you go to audio, you can dial down the slider for gain. So by default, it should be set to 0.0 decibels, and you can lower it down entirely like that, and you will essentially end up with a muted video, which is part of your Lumafusion app, right? So this is one option. But also inside of the main selection or main timeline at the, Lumafusion project, you might as well just click on the separate audio button like that. And this will make the audio layer, be separated from the main clip. And this allows you to edit it separately, right? So you might want to delete it or cut it or adjust it in any other way. So I kind of thought that you might find this useful too. So let me know below in the comments if it did work for you. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll catch you later.